Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with a 14 by 14 inch canvas, some color art paints starting with Twilight Orchid, which is a Prizm pour, and an inclination to do a landscape. That is, like I said, Twilight Orchid. This is Bobbing for Apples, which is pretty similar, and that's okay with me. But I want to get them both out of here because I don't think I'm going to use them again. I've got Paynes Gray, I've got Interference Blue, Little Midnight Shadow, and some Deep Amethyst. I'll list the colors under the video. Nice colors. And I have a makeup sponge that I can't remember what exactly kit it came in, but I'm going to try and absorb some paint. I don't think I want to try and do my edges, but I'm really liking what I'm seeing, and I know that interference will dry much different than it looks here, but I'm liking what I'm seeing so much. And then I'm going to use one of my little rubber tools. I guess they're swipe tools as far as I'm concerned. Clean off my spatula. Grab that thing out of there. Where's my... Well, if I can't find my tweezers, they must be in the bucket. I'm not unhappy if I can get the paint to go all the way to the edge. And it's a black canvas, so I'm kind of styling. I just have to keep a wary eye out to not leave any spatula lines. Also want to stop before I go too far. So I'm really liking all that. And I want to try some silver leaf. No cat hairs allowed. And some Peacock, which I remember I have to shake up. Little Fandango. I might just coat the canvas and put paint on again after. This is the Paynes Gray. This is the Deep Amethyst. I thought I got out. There it is, Emperor's Gold. I've got some saffron and Mayan gold mixed. Might use a little more Paynes Gray. I've got green interference, but I don't think that's a good idea. I'm going to use some of this to go down. Some of it to go up. I don't think I've done anything quite exactly like this, and I don't know what I'm doing or how it's going to turn out, so bear with me. while I tried something a little new. Not particularly thinking about what I'm doing, except for the fact that I need to grab that other tool and maybe some silver selector. It occurs to me I could have left some black background, and I didn't. I don't know if this will move or not. It probably will. It should. There's enough paint there. Alright, that looks pretty cool all on its own. I'm throwing the spatula in the bucket. I'm going to grab my big tool and I'm going to try a combination. I'm going to try the silver, Pebeo Iridescent Silver Cell Activator first. Not sure how any of this is going to work out. Thinking about using what I used yesterday, which was some red-orange Atelier, which I didn't expect to come out well, and it came out very nicely. I'm dripping, and I want some gold, and I wasn't ready. That's a bubble. Thinking smaller. Thinking I want to go straight across and see what happens. Use my excess on my edges. And maybe, because it's liquidous, it'll help things flow. Really loving that. Really loving that red-orange Atelier cell activator. A lot, a lot. Every time I think it couldn't possibly look like something, somebody tells me something that makes me think otherwise. I've been doing a lot of these bluffs lately. I really want to take some silver cell activator, put it right down in the container I have next to me. I could be making a mistake, but I think I can always add some paint. I want to use a smaller tool. I'm going to throw that one in the bucket just for right now and grab a smaller tool, because you can link up. That looks like a wave back there. Kind of wish I had some black somewhere. I could just grab that. Looks like sort of like tide pools right at the moment. I'm not sure why I think so. But I am going to try that as long as I can. There we go. So this is the spongy thing. It's brand new. Do I really want to do this? I do. Oh, that didn't really work. I suppose I could do a little alcohol. That looks like a planet in the sky right now. That's pretty cool. I left my alcohol outside, so maybe it's time to take a minute and grab some indoor alcohol. Let's try the Q-tip first without it. Now the only reason I'm doing this is to keep the other colors from bleeding. That's pretty cool. There's a black hole in the sky. This looks like the tide's working in. I'm going to try and learn to not overwork my stuff. I'm not sure I'm capable of it, but I'm going to give it a try. I just want to lead some of that silver cell activator down so it looks like moonlight. I've got a little more. I really just want to use a whole bunch of that red-orange. I guess I'm going to risk it. I've got some turquoise too. Where's my straw? Sometimes blowing things around makes me feel better. I probably shouldn't, but I probably am going to use some of this Atelier Phthalo turquoise. I'll just wipe off my tool. I gotta try it. I want to know. That doesn't look like it got shaken up well enough at all. That's better. I started covering my bottom, it looks like. I can actually put a moon in there. I think I have to put a white background on the black for the moon to show up as a golden orb. And that might not happen now. But I kind of want to try it anyway. So maybe I'll put a white moon in there and see what happens. I think that I might be crazy doing this. But I've got more Q-tips. Helps if I open the top. I could have put an interference moon and a gold one. That might have been pretty cool. No idea what I'm doing. Hoping my head isn't blocking all of your view. I've got a little paintball on the end of my skewer. Kind of like the white moon. See what I can do with a straw. That didn't work too badly. I can always put a ring around the moon of some interference gold or something. But I think I can still widen it out a little bit. That worked better than I anticipated. I kind of like the black line I see around the moon at the moment. Well, there it is, along with whatever that is. What is that? That is cause for me to take a break and edit my videos so I can grab my tweezers. Got it. Well, that's that for right now anyway. I say that, but you cannot trust me. That's that vivid intense white. If I didn't say, I should have. And it is indeed very vivid and very intense, which I'm very pleased about. And if I want a different color, tomorrow I'll have the perfect background for it. And I could also add some more interferences, which I'm inclined to do now, strangely enough. But I better be careful about it. Come on, interference blue. Do I dare? Maybe I shouldn't be doing this. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linktree, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. I'll do something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genre. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.